Alright guys, so I'm going to solve a system of equations using a different method today. This method is called elimination. So essentially what you're trying to do is you're looking at the two equations. You notice that they both have an x, they both have a y, and we're going to try to eliminate one of those two variables. So the idea here is you're looking for matching coefficients. In this case, if I look at the x, the coefficient's 4. If I look at this x, the coefficient's 4. They match, whereas if I look at the y coefficients, they don't match. If they don't match, we'll talk about a strategy in the next video, but I'm going to start you out with a fairly easy example. So since an equation has equal values on both sides, what I'm going to do here is sort of just make a big subtraction problem. And I'm going to just take the whole top equation and subtract the whole bottom equation. So I'm doing 4x minus 4x, which is totally going to cancel. It's going to eliminate. That's why this method is called elimination. I eliminated one of the two variables. Now I'm doing 6y minus 3y, which is going to give me 3y. And I subtract this side as well. So 16 minus 4 gives me 12. So I end up with a much easier equation to solve, 3y equals 12, where I divide both sides by 3, and I get y equals 4. Now, just like yesterday, that is only one of my two answers. I need the x value also. All right, so in order to get the other answer, the x value, I'm going to take the fact that I know y is 4, and I can plug it into one of these original equations. I'm going to take the bottom one. And so that would be 4x plus 3, not 3y. Now that I know y is 4, I'm plugging in 4 equals 4, which would be 4x plus 12 equals 4. Subtract 12 on both sides. You get that 4x is negative 8. Divide by 4, and you figure out that x is negative 2. So I know that x is negative 2. I know the y value is 4. If I graph these two equations, they would intersect at the point negative 2, 4. And I can show that. Let's see, 4x plus 6y equals 16. 4x plus 6y equals 16. And the other equation was 4x plus 3y equals 4. 4. So this is what these two would look like on a graph. And you do see this intersection point here is at negative 2, 4, which is what we got algebraically.